Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download VS Code to your computer. So you have to first click on your browser and go to Google and click the search bar and type this. Okay, download download VS Code. Now you're typing is finished. Now your typing is finished. You have to press enter button and search. Then you can see there are so many search results coming to here. So you can click this first link. Okay, download Visual Studio Code. Then you can see there's three setups or no, four setups in here: the Windows setup and .deb setup, .rpm setup, and Mac setup. Then you are a Windows user, you can click this and download Windows setup. Then you are using Ubuntu, Red Hat, Fedora, and other things. You can click these setups and download your VS Code setup. So you are using, then you are a Mac user, you can click here and you can download these setups. So I am a Windows user, so I choose to download Windows setup. Okay, now I am press Windows. Then you can see thanks for downloading VS Code for Windows. Then you can see the setup is downloading right here. VS Code user setup. It take 1 or 2 minutes to download. Let's wait. I'm already downloading the software. Okay, already download the software. So I go to my downloads folder. Then I can see the VS Code setup is right here. Then you have to double click it. Okay, double click it. Then the setup is starting. So first you have to accept the license agreement. Then tick I accept the agreement button and press next. Then you can see this section. Then additional icon you can tick it, create a desktop icon. Then you like these things, you can click these things. Then you are, do not like these things, do not tick these boxes. Okay, then this section is complete. Now I press the next button. Then you can see, then it's time to start the installation process. Then I press the install button. Then you can see the installation process starting right now. And I am already installed the VS Code, so I do not press the installation button. Okay, then you press the install button, then installation process will start, and 5 minutes or 6 minutes, the installation process will automatically close, and VS Code is all. VS Code is installation complete. Okay, then I think I told you how to download VS Code to your Windows.